In this presentation, we are going to generate a PPT similar to this PPT, which will give us the introduction, what is Jarvis, task planning, and a basics about the Microsoft Jarvis. So let's see how exactly we are going to create this program. So we are first of all going to install few dependencies, Python pptx, gTTS, PyDub, OpenAI, and urllib. And then we are going to import the required libraries. We are going to define the data structures which will have the slide titles and the contents. Then we will create a PowerPoint presentation using the presentation object, and then we will look through the slide titles and contents that we have defined, and then we'll add audio file to each slide notes using gTTS function. Then save the audio file as an MP3 file and embed the audio file in each slide using add movie function, and then save the PPT. So let's see how the code looks. So this is the code for installing all the necessary libraries. And here we are importing all the libraries. Here you will define your API key, and then you will define what are the slide titles. Now you can also write a program which will generate all these slide titles. We will cover in some other program how to generate these slide titles, and then we will, for corresponding to each slide title, they are the slide contents, the bullet points that we want in each slide. Now for each slide we want to have a picture. So this is a function which will generate the image from text, and then this is a object, presentation object. Now once we have created the presentation object, we will loop through each of the slide title content. So this is a for loop. Here it will read the contents of the slide title and slide contents and run the for loop. Here we are creating a slide which will add a slide to the presentation, and then we will add a title to the slide. Now, where do we want the pic to be added? So based upon that, we will add the picture, and then we will specify where do we want to add this picture. Now, for each bullet point that I mentioned in this particular data structure, we will iterate through each bullet point and then add it to the paragraph within the slide. Now, once we have added the slide title and the slide content, we will generate the audio file for each slide's contents. So we will convert the slide content to MP3 using gTTS package, and then we will define the name of the file, which is the same as the slide title. Then we'll say the audio. So if you see, if we run this program, the audio will be saved here. And then we will define that the movie to be added. So we will specify the audio path. We will specify the left, top, height, and width of the audio file where it has to be added. So this audio file will be added to the slide itself, and then we will save the presentation. And we can give any name. Here I have added as add audio frame. So you can write any name. And once we have saved it, this file will automatically come here, and then we can download it. Thank you.